This is a sea turtle. It has a flat, streamlined shell, 2 hind limbs, and developed front flippers. The large head and flippers do not retract under the shell. The shell is so strong that it can withstand a load 200 times the weight of the reptile. The shell length of some species can reach up to 78.74 inches, and they can weigh up to 451.95 pounds. The structure of sea turtles has evolved over tens of millions of years, starting from the Mesozoic era, and remains practically unchanged. Sea turtles have remarkable navigation abilities, presumably orienting themselves by the Earth's magnetic field. They can accurately return to their place of birth after many years. The incubation period for sea turtles is about 2 months and depends directly on the temperature of the sand in which the eggs are buried. The future gender of the turtles also depends on the temperature. Females develop at a higher temperature and males at a lower temperature. The process of creating a nest is the same among all species of sea turtles. The female looks for a suitable place on the beach and begins to dig the sand with her hind limbs until a round depression 15.75–19.7 inches deep is formed. The female lays eggs in this pit, then covers them with sand and compacts it, making the nest as inconspicuous as possible. The entire process takes about an hour, after which the female returns to the ocean and no longer cares for her offspring. After the incubation period, the hatchlings break the shell with a special egg tooth, emerge through the thickness of the sand, and swiftly run into the ocean. At this stage, the mortality rate among hatchlings is extremely high and can reach 95%. Most of them will be eaten by terrestrial predators, and the remaining ones will be awaited by sea predators. The percentage of turtles reaching sexual maturity for each clutch does not exceed fractions of a percent. All sea turtles have excellent vision and can distinguish colors. The eyes of sea turtles are located on the upper part of the head, while those of terrestrial turtles are on the sides of the head. They have a calm temperament. They are unhurried, although they can swim quite fast and well at speeds of about 24 miles per hour. The entire life of sea turtles takes place in the water. Turtles stay in shallow waters near the shores, but during hunting they can dive deep underwater and stay there for a long time. In adverse environmental conditions and the absence of food, sea turtles can enter a kind of hibernation. During this time, turtles become sluggish and eat little. This helps them survive during the winter. In winter, turtles sink to the bottom and can stay there for a long time, up to about 5 hours without surfacing. Their diet includes algae, plankton, crustaceans, mollusks, fish, snails, shrimp, and crabs. They prefer to feast on jellyfish, considering it very tasty, eating it like a gourmet enjoying spaghetti. The average lifespan of sea turtles is around 80 years. They inhabit seas and oceans worldwide, and the only place you won't find them is in cold Arctic waters.